YouTube? Oh, you have a lot of subscribers? Yeah, I have a lot of subscribers. My name is Trip. Follow me on Instagram at Trip Waller.
I'm not sure what it is, but you know, yeah.
Trip Waller. Best ride ever.
Stop. Come here.